In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce mailbox size in Microsoft Outlook. If your mailbox is close to its limit, or Outlook is starting to feel sluggish, trimming it down with Outlook's built-in tools can make a big difference. We'll use the Mailbox Cleanup tool in the classic desktop version of Outlook, and I'll walk you through how to quickly find and remove the biggest space hogs without losing anything important. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Go to the File tab in the top left. On the Info page, look for the Tools drop-down and choose Mailbox Cleanup. This opens a small control panel focused entirely on size management, so you don't have to dig through folders manually. Next, select Find Items Larger Than. This option filters your mailbox to show only the biggest emails. Pick a size that makes sense for you. Something like several megabytes is a good starting point. Then run the search. The idea here is to surface the few items that are taking up the most space, so you can make the biggest impact with the least effort. When your results appear, sort by size. Click the size column so the largest messages float to the top. This puts your heaviest hitters front and center, which makes cleanup much faster. As you scan the list, open a few of the largest emails and check what's making them big. Most of the time, it's attachments like videos, high-resolution images, or large documents. Now, review and delete large attachments or entire emails you no longer need. If a message isn't important, deleting the whole email is the quickest path to reclaim space. If you want to keep the message but don't need the attachment, consider saving the file to a safe location outside Outlook before removing it from the email. That way you retain the content without the mailbox bloat. Be thoughtful with items tied to ongoing projects or receipts you might need later, and avoid removing attachments from any messages that require a paper trail. As you delete, remember that messages typically move to deleted items first. That's normal and gives you a safety net in case you change your mind. You should see mailbox size improvements as you clear out those larger messages. To wrap up, the strategy is simple. Use Mailbox Cleanup. Find large items, sort by size, and remove what you don't need. Focusing on the biggest emails first delivers the fastest results, and being selective